Hello, good morning students. In our lesson number 10, Transport and Communication, now we are going to discuss about radio, a means of communication. Children, you must have seen a radio. Radio, as you know, is only audible. You can't see any picture in a radio. You can only hear the news or some music or any other discussion or anything. It is just a means of communication where people can only hear. But we can't see any pictures, which is in the case of television. So after the invention of television, which is after radio, people tend to be more inclined towards television. Naturally, we want to see pictures as well as we want to hear. Suppose somebody is showing something, breaking news, we want to see what has happened there. Only if we hear it, it is only a halfway thing. Similarly, if we are watching dance program or music, we want to see that person, we want to see the program. So that's why people nowadays are more inclined towards television. Television is more popular than radio. But children, radio has some advantages in other fields too. Like people who can't read or write, for them radio is more comfortable because they can at least hear and understand it. Radio is also useful for people like the fishermen when they go for fishing in the sea and they take their boats and for for many days, maybe for a fortnight they go for many. So if there is any message to be conveyed to them like a cyclone or some weather forecast, they can hear these information over the radio. They can carry the radio in their boat and go for fishing for many days, but you cannot carry a television. Even nowadays, radio has made its revival and people are using FM channels in maybe in your car you have a radio system where you listen to music or the songs or the news. Okay, so when you are in a vehicle, you are moving, so you cannot carry your TV there, but you can have a radio which will keep you updated. Now we all want to know the news and various information which is going around our area or maybe our surrounding all the time. So radio keep us updated. So radio is important when there is some natural calamity where you cannot carry your television, but yes, you can carry the radio because radio are wireless also. Now children, yes, in the olden days radio had to be plugged in like television, but nowadays it is wireless. Now radio, as you have heard, that is a means of communication. Our program on radio reaches all corners of India. Means sometimes there is a network problem when we nowadays advancement of satellite system. Okay, this TV channels have reached to each and every corner of the country due to satellite advancement. But radio also, as I told, that you can go to any corner or you can carry your radio, it's movable. It is also useful for people who can't read or write because maybe in the television where the things are written you cannot read, so those uneducated people, they can listen to the radio and keep themselves updated. Now we have different government channels, broadcasting radio stations as well as FM channels. These FM channels are all private. Our government broadcasting channel is the All India Radio. Okay, All India Radio is a government broadcasting channel which in the few years back in past there were no private channels, there were no FM channel like you have Radio Mirchi and all other nowadays, but there was only All India Radio which broadcasted the news or the music or the song, and like Chitramala and various other programs. Okay, and there are, as I told you, there are private channel nowadays which give us lot of information in different languages, in Hindi, in English and other regional languages. We have various programs. Some are entertainment programs like some songs or some discussion or maybe interview with the famous personality, and educational programs also. Various classes are taken on the radio channels which educate people in different topics. There are other like weather forecast and business news and sports news. Also, all sort of things are broadcast in the radio. So radio is very important. I will show you, children, the person who invented radio. The person who invented radio is Guglielmo Marconi. Guglielmo Marconi. He is the inventor of telephone. You can see the oldest telephone, how it looked. There were all boxes and some discs and all machines, and is this the way they were all with wires, and there were no satellite system at that time. So with the wires and everything they used to do, and this is how the first telephone looked like. And because of Guglielmo Marconi, we had a radio, and radio is a means of communication. Thank you.